Let us take a look at this example. Let us attempt to add 3 over 4 plus 1 over 5. The first step is to find the common denominators. The denominators are 4 and 5, and so the lowest common denominator, also known as the LCD, is 20. Step 2 is to rewrite both fractions such that the denominator is 20. So for the first fraction, we multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 5. And for the second fraction, we multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 4. Lastly, we add the numerators to get 19 over 20 to be the final answer. Let us take a look at another problem. 2 over 4 plus 1 over 3. Step 1 is to find the common denominator. The denominators are 4 and 3, and therefore the LCD is 12. Next, we rewrite the fractions such that the denominator is 12. And lastly, we add the numerators to get a final answer of 10 over 12.
Smash your maths exams. Download Learn Maths Today for real exam questions and achieve top marks.